We got the bonus again. Eureka Treasure Train. 5-cent denomination. We're betting $3. And let's see, which one are we going to choose?
I don't know. I think all the time it's always dynamite.
We always choose dynamite.
And dynamite, I'm not sure what we end up with versus the nuggets or the possibility of an additional bonus within the 12 free games.
Let's do the 12 free games today.
Let's
do the 12 free games. Let's see. Dun dun dun.
Don't make us regret this, please.
You have to push play.
You gotta push play still?
I think so. Come on, Nuggets.
See, would that have been a bonus?
Yes.
A bonus?
Yes. Nuggets. Have 5 games left.
What is it?
3.
I wonder if it just averages out.
Yeah, probably does.
And you either get lucky or you don't.
Yeah, come on, make it good, make it good, make it good. Not bad.
I don't think that's too bad.
That was not too bad. That was kind of cool.